Hi friends, Rakesh here, and today we are going to learn how to create combine multiple Excel sheet with the same row header into one file, and then do analysis of the data. We'll also learn today how to convert a simple date into day, year and month format. So that's also there in the list. Let us just combine these files. So how do we combine that? To do that, there's a very simple command. I'll use that. So first, let me do everything from scratch. So I'm here right at Rakesh Kumar desktop data. I'm already here. I'll click cd dot dot so that I come out and show you how to do that. Yeah, I'm coming out. So that I'll do it right from scratch. Alright, so I'm at users. Now I'm gonna click cd space. So the directory name is what I'm going to mention. So it's user and then Rakesh Kumar and then it's desktop and then it's data. Alright, so I'm right there in this directory, and now I'm going to run the command. So command name is copy star.csv space, and I'll give the file name. So that's combine underscore data.csv. So as you can see, all the files has been copied. Let's check the folder. You can see all your data right here. Fair enough. So now I'm going to do a couple of more things. As I told you, I'm going to convert this dates, into month and year. So I'll do that. I'll type text and then I will comma and then I'll write the formats mm. That's your month, and I'm gonna do same thing for year. Text and then yy. So that's your year. All right. Now I'm going to do one more thing. So I'm having the closing data right here. So let me just elaborate a bit. On 1st April 2014, it was 6,721.05. On 2nd of April, there was increase, so it becomes 6,752.55, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to calculate the changes here in percentage. Changes percentage. First one I'm going to keep blank, and now I'm going to calculate the changes right from day one. So I'll do it day to day. All right, that's there. I will change the format and I'll keep it to 1 digit in fact. All right, I'm gonna drag it. After I'm done with that, I'm again going to sort the data from ascending to descending. So I have data year wise, and I'll delete this bad data which I doesn't actually need. All right, now I'm going to make a pivot chart. A beautiful pivot chart can be created out of this. So I'll click to pivot table first, and I'll create one data, year on year. So here I'll put year, and then I'll put the changes percentage right here, and then I will convert it to percentage, and there you see. So you have the data right year on year, and then you have total data also. We can make a chart right from this. There are multiple options. The line chart, I believe, can also be made. I think just because we are having the very simple data, I will go with this and not much data. So we'll go with the column chart. Right, maybe this one is okay. You can select the options right there, but I feel this one is correct. More than enough for what we are going to analyze. Data label can also be added. So click add data elements, and then data label can be added right from here outside, and you have more data label options. You can go to more data label options and select other things. Series names also can be added, category name can also be added. So those are the things. Okay, so if you wish, you can add year on year and so on. Our data is sequential, so I don't think we need to put so much heads into it. It's basically 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. It can be even changed, the chart types. The other one is bar chart, so that also can be exported. You can see that. And for clarity, this year can be dragged a bit. Why I'm doing this, as it'll make little more sense. Okay, as you can see, year also in front of your data, so that's there. This can be cleaned, and as you can see, if you want, you can change this one, the background line is I want to clean. Okay, and the chart title, Nifty 50 year to year changes in percentage. So that's the kind of beautiful chart you can make. So in this process, what we have done, we have combined the 5 files into one. We have converted the dates into month and year, and then we have made a beautiful chart which can analyze and say us how much growth has happened in which year, and it very clearly shows that in 2014 it was 20%, in 2015 it was negative 5%, in 16 it becomes again 2%, and then 17 25%, 18 it was 2%, and in 2019 I think I am having data till March, so 2019 till March there was a growth of 7%. So this is how we can combine the data, convert years into dates, and months, and basically the dates into months and year, and then make beautiful charts. You can even make charts month wise. If you add month right here, your data will come even on month basis, same charts. Now because there's a lot of data, maybe you can do that is you can remove data label, but then again it will give you at least the data labels can be removed. Delete, sorry, the data label can be removed by just clicking there on the data. That's also a way around. You can remove data label or you can have it, that's your choice. Yeah, you can see that how it is coming. So it becomes month on month. So you can change the header. So from same file you can make either month to month changes, or you can make year to year. So that it is. Thanks for your time. And if you have liked my video, and if you wish that I share more such sort of data analysis, such sort of videos wherein I share my knowledge and experiences with you, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and ask them as well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.